Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix microphone not working on iPhone after iOS 17. So how to fix this problem? So I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. So first of all, fix this issue. So you have first solution. You have restart your iPhone. So volume up button and then volume down button. Press the power button when you see appear the Apple logo on your screen. Then your mobile is restart. And then 5 to 10 seconds wait, and then your mobile is restart and the problem will fix. And then second solution, you have clean the microphone on your iPhone. So how to clean microphone? So you have left side microphone, right side speaker. Left side you will be clean with brush, and then your problem will be fixed. And then third solution, you have unplugged all the accessories and then second solution, then with turn off Bluetooth and then unplug from all the accessories from your iPhone. So you have opened the setting and click on Bluetooth is turned off. I have already turned off, then you have must be turned off on your iPhone. So then fourth solution, you have reset setting on your iPhone. So open the setting and click on general, scroll up, transfer or reset, click on reset or setting, and iPhone given a passcode, and then do not lose any data from your iPhone, only reset or setting on your iPhone. So unused background app remove from iPhone. So you have unused background app remove and closing. And then sixth solution and last solution, you have check for available software update and download or install them. So you open the setting and click on general, and then software update iOS latest version on your iPhone is available. Then you have install on your iPhone, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working microphone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.